You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names, including of famous places in Mexico, stay tuned. This is anything that is from Chihuahua City in Mexico, and also a state, is Chihuahuan, as in the Chihuahuan Desert. How to pronounce in English? Chihuahuan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.